Welcome to Cooking Space, a place where mindfulness and being present meets food and music. A place to chill out, relax, enjoy, get connected, and make something delicious. For today's episode, I want to do an homage to South Philadelphia. I've lived in Philly almost 20 years, and when I think of Philly, I really think of Philly cuisine as Italian, that South Philadelphia, red gravy, delicious, just hearty dishes. And one quintessential dish is spaghetti and crabs. Today I'm gonna do my version of it. Come on in, let's get to cooking. I have these beautiful blue crabs here, and I have them split into two different varieties. One that's clean already, so we cleaned the shells and we removed kind of the tamale that was inside, the gills, and I left some whole as well for those adventurous eaters that want to get in there and crack them and do all the work yourselves. You'll have options here. So as a quick step, we're going to be using our Rayo's tomato basil sauce. I have some Calabrian chili paste as well right here that's going to give us some nice heat. And then there's just some nice accompaniments. Fresh tomatoes, cherry tomatoes are sliced in half, capers, garlic, parsley, Parmesan, some white onions, and I'm going to start by sautéing our crabs with the Calabrian chilies, a little bit of onions and garlic, and kind of let those really create some nice fond in the pan. And then we'll make a pan sauce, cook the pasta. Let's get in here, guys. So we're here at the Sub-Zero Wolf Cove showroom, and I thought what's really cool is they have this wok burner here. So this is a grate that goes over the stove, an insert in which you can put a wok. I really like it because it's going to give me a lot of surface area to cook in. So I'm going to start by putting some olive oil in here, a little bit of our Calabrian chili paste, some sliced garlic. Just start by sautéing that real nicely. Maybe add a little bit more. And we're going to start putting some crab pieces in here. Now I'm gonna let the crabs and that Calabrian chili, the garlic and the olive oil just kind of marry in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of white wine to this. That kind of steam a little bit. While that white wine is going, I'm going to start cooking my pasta. So I'll put that right in. And we'll let those kind of stir fry. We're gonna pull our pasta off. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Now we'll pull these crabs off. These look awesome. I'm gonna add a little tomato sauce. Add a little bit of stock here. So it's just kind of deglazing the pan with a little bit of shrimp stock. Trying to get some of that flavor, that crab gravy, right over our crabs. It's gonna be really right on top of there. Oh, that looks fantastic. I'm gonna saute some onions. Some garlic right in here as well. Some shrimp, which I'm gonna season up a little bit, a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some more of our Calabrian chili paste in here. Just a handful of capers. Kind of let that come together. Add some chopped tomatoes as well. I'm sautéing my onions, garlic, and shrimp with the cherry tomatoes, probably for about a good 3 to 4 minutes. Just gonna get some nice color going on these. A little bit of white wine. This is looking fantastic. And we'll let all of these flavors come together pretty quickly, about 2 or 3 minutes. We'll be good to go. All right, guys, so our sauce looks absolutely perfect. It's reduced just enough. I've got the good white wine flavor, the tomatoes. I'm gonna add our pasta right into here. And just enough to coat. Oh man, this looks so good. I'll let this kind of come up to a boil. I'm gonna finish it with a little bit of butter. A few pats of butter, some chopped parsley as well. Put a little bit of Parmesan in it. So what I like to do is usually spoon the pasta in first, and then I'll take all my garnish and pour it right over the top. Garnish and sauce. Oh man, wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so delicious. The crab, tomato sauce, fantastic. I'm gonna finish it with just a little bit of parsley, a little more Parmesan, just a little shot of that, and we are good to go. You guys are gonna absolutely love this dish. Ooh. Just the aroma from the Calabrian chilies, the richness from that tomato sauce, the crab flavor is just really kind of, it's hitting me in such a positive way. Let me get right into it here. Try some pasta. So delicious. The spice, it's right there. If you like it less spicy, tone back on the Calabrian chili. The tomato sauce, rich, full of flavor. I love the seafood kind of element that I'm getting from the crabs. I'm gonna try one of these delicious crabs too. I have one that's clean already. I'm just gonna take my fork and pick a little of that meat out of there. Crabs, get a bib, get a cracker, get your hands in here and get to it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this delicious pasta dish. It was absolutely my pleasure cooking for you. And I want to thank all of our sponsors, especially Sub-Zero Wolf & Co. for allowing us to use their cooking space. And a big shout out to Rayo's homemade pastas and sauces. Thanks for the delicious product. It was great today on our shoot. And I also want to thank all of our media sponsors. And I want to remind everybody that a portion of the sponsorship dollars go to the Garces Foundation, a philanthropic organization located right here in Philadelphia. And for the full recipe, the ingredients, the methods, the techniques, click on the link below. And I hope you enjoy your cooking space as much as I enjoy mine. Buen provecho, salud. See you guys next time.